Welcome back to the Southeastern Sports Report presented by State Farm. A couple of years ago, a very talented quarterback transferred from the University of Ole Miss right here to our campus of Southeastern Louisiana University. And he led us to a 5-2 Southland Conference record this year. And by doing so, got a great accolade by being invited to play in the East-West Shrine Game. Let's check out Nathan Stanley, who performed this weekend. Southeastern senior quarterback Nathan Stanley just wrapped up 2 straight weeks of playing in some of college football's premier all-star games. 2 weeks ago, Stanley participated in the Casino del Sol All-Star Game, and this past weekend, Nathan played in the East-West Shrine Game in Tampa, Florida. Stanley was one of 4 quarterbacks on the East roster that was coached by former NFL coach Jerry Glanville. The East-West Shrine Game has a history for welcoming the best players in the country and allows those players to showcase their talents in front of NFL coaches and scouts. The game is also a charity event for Shriners Hospital for Children. Stanley played most of the third quarter for the East, which included 2 series on offense. Stanley finished 2 of 5 for 19 yards passing and rushed for 4 yards for his team. The East came up on the losing end as the West All-Stars went on to win the game 28-13. What a tremendous honor for Nathan Stanley to be able to participate in those 2 All-Star games, especially the East-West Shrine Game, as that showcases some of the top players in the country. And they raved about him all over message boards, all over forums, all over blogs, and also on the interviews about how well he performed in practice. So we'll wish him the best of luck as the NFL Draft approaches here coming up in the next few weeks. It's now time to turn our attention to our dance team and also our cheerleaders as they were down in Disney World competing in the UDA and UCA National Championships. Here's the story.
The Southeastern Louisiana University cheer and dance squads are each bringing home silver and bronze medals from the 2013 UCA-UDA Cheerleading and Dance Team National Championships, which wrapped up Sunday at the ESPN Wide World of Sports Complex. Competing in the small co-ed division category, the Southeastern cheerleaders marked their 2nd consecutive entrance into the finals. Coached by Wayne New, Megan Guidry, and Cody Amato, Southeastern placed 2nd in the World Championship competition behind Bowling Green State. The Lionettes, Southeastern's dance team, placed 2nd in the hip-hop competition and 3rd in jazz dance. Coached by Paige Laperouse, the Lionettes improved their final ranking in both events over their 2012 finish. Southeastern finished behind Hofstra in the hip-hop competition and behind Cal State Fullerton and Hofstra in the jazz finals. Videos of Southeastern's performance can be found at www.uca.varsity.com. Television coverage provided on a tape delay basis will be provided by ESPNU and ESPN2.
So congratulations to our cheerleaders and our dance team, and also congratulations to Paige Laperouse, who does such a fantastic job with these 2 programs. Always has those programs representing our university with the utmost respect right here on campus. Always does such a fantastic job. That's going to do it for us. Thank you so much for joining us. There's a couple key dates to remember. This Thursday and Saturday, your Lions and Lady Lions in basketball will be at home at the University Center for 2 big Southland Conference mashups. And also you have Champaign Bingo this weekend. And don't forget to watch Robert Alford represent Southeastern in the Senior Bowl. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.